guys, it's your legal bestie, attorney Simone, and I am here to break down the Tasha K bankruptcy settlement. Apologize for the background noise. I am literally on my way to court. I've got a driver that's driving me because I'm going to this small little country town. So apologies for the movement you may see through my window, but this will be a quick video. So congratulations to both Tasha K and Cardi B for finally settling and resolving Tasha K's bankruptcy. So I've got the documents. I wanted to pull the documents, make sure I took a look before we said exactly whether this is a victory, and this is absolutely a victory. It is a victory for both. So most people's question was, but does she have to pay Cardi B or not? And the answer is yes, she does. Now, we knew she'd have to pay her something because previously a judge had ruled that and this is also based on the law, that Tasha K cannot completely get the entire $3.8 million verdict that she owed to Cardi B washed away, in part because a portion of that verdict was for what's called punitive damages, which is when you knowingly and or intentionally do harm. So bankruptcy can never wipe away the portion of your settlement that is from that aspect. And here, it's actually right around 1.2 million. So to date, what happened was when Tasha K initially filed for bankruptcy, her goal was to wipe out the entire $3.8 million that Cardi B was owed. In fact, what she offered, because of the type of bankruptcy that she filed, you have to put some money on it. Okay, you're not going to get it completely wiped away, because that would be the type of bankruptcy where your entire company has to go away for life. That's not the situation. She wanted more of what's called a reorganization. Tasha K offered $220,000 to settle the $3.8 million debt. And naturally, Cardi B said hails to the nah. But apparently they went back to the drawing board. It appears that the parties have now come to an agreement. And here's what it is. Let me add it to the screen. All right, so here is the agreement. So of the 3.9 million that Tasha K owed to Cardi B, she's going to pay her basically 1.2 million. So I say that's a victory. That's a huge victory for Tasha, and it's a huge victory for Cardi B, because that is probably something close to a nuisance value for Cardi B, as well as more than covers her legal fees for this. Now, here's how that payment plan is broken down. So this is going to get paid over 5 years, and it's going to be in quarterly payments, meaning 4 payments a year. And year one, each quarter, Tasha K is going to pay her $44,000. Year two, $55,000 each quarter. So it's going to be 55 times 4. The next year, $57K, 60, and the final year, $81K. This represents 30% of Tasha K's total bankruptcy debt, meaning, honestly, the only reason she went into bankruptcy was due to Cardi B's debt. If it was not for Cardi B's debt, she would not have filed bankruptcy. So that's how that happened. Now look at the other debts that are also being addressed. So the total amount of her debt from all sources was 3.988. In other words, as you can see here, these are the estimates. We've got, she owed $1,800 to an entity, $920, $1,178,000 to Cardi B. Then all the rest of these, y'all look at this, all the rest of these debts, aside from Cardi B, all the other debts were under $15,000. So that's where you got the 3.9. She's going to pay 1.2 million. She's going to pay that off over 5 years. So what do you think? If you were Cardi B, would you have settled with her? Do you feel like this was a good deal? Also, don't forget, you can go to my website, which is SimoneRedwine.com, to book a consult with me if you have legal challenges anywhere in America. Apologize, I'm driving to court, but let us know what you think in the chat. I think this was a great deal. It's going to allow Cardi B to get paid. It's going to allow Tasha K to move on. And here's what's most important. If you remember Teresa Giudice from Real Housewives of New Jersey, she went to prison as a result of bankruptcy fraud, which was she was hiding money from the bankruptcy court. Tasha K is not going to have to worry about any potential criminal liability, because as I said in videos before, it's really hard to hide money from Cardi B that you're not also hiding from the IRS. Now there's going to be no allegations that she's hiding money from Cardi B, no allegation she's hiding anything from the IRS because, hey, they've come to an agreement. So it doesn't matter where other money is. Even if Cardi B were to find out that she is now hidden $10 million in an offshore account, there's nothing Cardi B can do at this point. They've come to an agreement. So I think, yeah, I think so. I think settling for $1 million instead of the 3.9 is low, but it also guarantees Cardi B the money. Now, here's what I've noticed. A component of that settlement, and it's my understanding this is why Tasha wasn't trying to settle previously, is now Tasha K cannot mention Cardi B or show a photo of Cardi B. She can't even show photos of her. If you go to Tasha K's page, there was an incident with Nicki Minaj's sister, her half-sister, where the half-sister is now dating Cardi B's ex-boyfriend, the one that went to prison. Well, on Tasha K's page, she was posting a photo of Cardi B's ex, while he was in his jail attire, hugged up with Cardi B. She not only did she muffle out Cardi B's face, she did not use Cardi B's name to describe the other woman in the photo. That's because a component of the agreement for this 1.1 million settlement is she can't talk about Cardi B. She can't do no news stories about Cardi B. And that's all Cardi B wanted in the first place. So I say this is an excellent deal because Cardi B got what she originally wanted, is keep my name out your mouth. And she's going to get $1.2 million to go with it. All right. I'm your legal bestie, Attorney Simone. Drop your comments down below. Do you think it was a great deal? Especially now that we know Cardi B got what she really wanted, which is for Tasha K to keep her name out Tasha K's mouth. Y'all have a great day.